Firefighter Ian Nunn. Welcome to Chula Vista Fire Department Station 6. We're located at 605 Mount Miguel Road. We're serving the eastern part of the city and the greater Chula Vista area as well. Currently, the station houses Engine 56, Brush 56, who is out on a strike team at Big Sur right now, as well as an ALS ambulance. We're currently staffed with a fire captain, fire engineer, a firefighter paramedic, and a firefighter EMT. We're looking forward to seeing you here at our Fire Recruit open house on October 10th.
Thank you.